What's going on YouTube? I'm Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the Taotronics 40-inch soundbar. Let's get into it. So in the box we get the soundbar, nicely wrapped. Then we get the remote control and an instruction guide, and there's one more box down here. Let's see what's in this box. And in this package right here, we got our optical cable. They give us some anchors and some screws if you want to hang it. You get some like spacer or vibration pads. What else we get? You get your 3.5 millimeter jack to your RCA cables. And you get your power adapter. Your remote control requires 2 AAA batteries that are not included. Let me tell you a little bit about the Taotronics 40-inch soundbar. You can get it on Amazon.com and it's going to run you 85 bucks. So not really bad. It has powerful and clear sound, user-friendly LED display, Bluetooth enabled, slim design, 4 speakers, 2 full range speakers, and 2 bass diaphragms. So let's get a look at this and see what it looks like. So if you look up close, this is your screen right here, your LED display, and it's a nice looking display. I like the grill on the speakers, on the soundbar. I like the grill. So you got 4 buttons. You got a power button, a mute button, a negative and a positive. So there's probably a volume down and volume up. You got Taotronics logo right there, some branding, and let's check out the side of it. On the side, you just got a nice little sleek design. And then if you look at the back, you got some brackets right here to mount it. And you got your RCA inputs right here, your power input, your coaxial input, and your optical input. And on the far left side, you have another bracket to hang it up if you plan on mounting it. And on the other side, you just got another nice smooth texture. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to hang this up above my TV, and I'll show you my setup in a minute. I'm going to connect it through the optical connection. I'm going to use that one. Okay, so I just plugged it in and I'm going to power it up for the first time, and let's see what it looks like. So right now you got on your screen, I don't know if y'all can see that because I got the bright light going on, but it automatically defaults to the aux setting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put it on Bluetooth, which you can do with your remote control, and put it on Bluetooth, and then I'm going to try to connect it to my phone and play something out of it. So I'm going to hit Bluetooth on the control. Alright, so now you see Bluetooth or BT flashing on the display. So I'm gonna go on my phone, open up my Bluetooth settings, and see if I can find it on here. Okay, and this is probably it right here, the TTSK019. So I'm gonna press that, and okay, so you got that little chime which tells you that you're connected. So we're connected now through the Bluetooth, and I'm gonna go back to my video, and now we're gonna check it out. Put the volume up.
Busy morning? Jumpstart your day with Sabra Breakfast Avocado Toast, made with real Haas avocados with
and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the Jayco Bluetooth waterproof earphones. Now you get these on Amazon.com and they're gonna run you $19.59. So for the dub. Alright, now they come in two different colors. You can get them in black and red, or you can get them in plain black. Sound, so the mute button works. Bluetooth, CVC noise canceling, and built-in. Skip to the next video.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy.
Oh, let me pause that. I don't want floss playing. Alright, but yeah, the play pause works, the volume up, volume down works, the max volume it has is 30, and it'll give you a chime once you hit the max volume. And let's see, no chime once you hit the lowest volume, which obviously is 0. So you don't get a chime, but you do get a chime letting you know that you hit max volume. Now, the fast forward and rewind button works as far as playing within my videos. The mute button works. So the remote control is pretty good so far. Okay, now this is my setup right here. This is my TV, and I plan on putting it above the TV because the TV is not hung. It's just on a stand. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drill into the wall, and then I'll hang the sound bar up on the concrete wall behind the TV. So this is the final product right here. This is me hanging it. Of course, I work something out to get the wires fixed up, but this is what I wanted. I wanted to hang it over top of my TV, and it looks pretty good. So all in all, I mean, the sound is good. This is going off of the optical cable right here. So I'll give it to you at full volume.
Let it go, but you're taking 7, a hitch, and you're throwing it to a spot so these guys can go and adjust to it once again. So if you're trying to put it perfect, these guys catch it and go out of bounds. We want a touchdown on this. We want the ball out in front of them so they can catch it, turn up the sideline, and score.
And in a game, the cones are going to be where they are. In a game, they're really going against a man, and usually you can read him, and he'll determine if you're going high or coming down flat.
So not really too bad as far as the highs and lows, and very crisp sound, no crackling or anything like that. So after reviewing and checking out the Taotronics 40-inch soundbar, I can say for the price, it's a really good product. Most soundbars are going to cost you upper end $200, maybe $300. This one's coming in at just under $100. It looks really good sitting over top of my TV. The sound of it is not bad at all. Really crisp and clear audio. Bass isn't bad. You know, it's not going to thump. Decent subwoofers, you know what I mean? So all in all, it's a really, really good system to have. The Bluetooth feature is definitely something that I'll use. I could just pair my phone or my iPad or whatever I want to pair it to. I could just pair it, and then boom, boom, and I can listen to my audio through the soundbar without even having to, hook anything up or anything like that. So that's definitely something that's going to come in handy. I also like the slim design that it has, being very slim and very thin. It's really versatile as far as placement goes. If I didn't hang it, I could sit it right in front of my TV, and it really wouldn't obstruct the view of anything on the TV because it's slim and low profile. The LED display is something that I like. I always like, lights and buttons and stuff like that. So being able that you can see everything, which mode you want to be in, the volume up and down, stuff like that, that's a really hot feature to have. Only thing that I wish that the LCD would have, I wish that the color or the brightness was actually a lot brighter, because it's kind of dim, and from a distance you really can't see it. So probably from about 5 feet away, it's hard to really figure out what is actually on the screen. And you also get an extended 18-month warranty, which is pretty decent. A lot of these big name companies that have these $300, $400, $200 sound bars don't even offer you any type of warranty, but you get an 18-month extended warranty for free. That's dope. But all in all, I can say that this is a hit. And if you're in the market for a sound bar that's cheaply priced and pretty decent, this is where you should look. But it's D.O. aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, then all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links, and you can follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.